and brightening up after Sunday's deluge. Mind you, the same weather system brought even more rainfall to the south of France. Certainly quite nasty down in Nice, over 100 millimetres of rain falling in just 18 hours. Now you can see that's not far short of all of October's rainfall, arriving in less than a day. 100 millimetres, around about 4 inches of rain. You can see how that same cloud band stretches northwards up through central parts of Europe, and then we've got this lovely hook back around the United Kingdom, and that's where the low pressure area is sitting. But that low is filling now as it slowly drifts out into the North Sea, all the while the rain tending to peter out and the more holes appear in the cloud. And then for tomorrow we've got this little ridge of high pressure moving through before more wet and windy weather heads in from the west for later on during the week. But as I say, at the moment you'll be able to see that the echoes are breaking up, not quite as bright as they were earlier this morning. Some holes beginning to appear in that cloud sheet. Mind you, it is going to be a slow process, particularly for Britain, around about north of Birmingham. Some holes already appearing in the cloud sheet on the western side of Scotland and also down into the north coast of Northern Ireland. But the best of the brightness this afternoon is likely to be across the southern half of England and Wales. But even here, a few light showers will run through the Dover Strait, perhaps the odd heavy one, perhaps the odd rumble of thunder. But that's where the warmest weather is going to be. The temperatures in that southeastern corner of the country up to around about 16 Celsius, which is 61 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking for really warm weather, then you need to head southeastwards across Europe. Athens could get up to 26 Celsius this afternoon. That fine weather stretching northwards, but only 8 degrees across in Moscow. The reason? Well, we've got high pressure sitting across the eastern side of Europe, and that'll slowly give way to these weather systems moving in from the Atlantic. Overnight tonight, though, most places dry. There will be a few showers scattered around, and where winds fall light, there could be a little bit of mistiness by morning, with lowest temperatures around 6 or 7 Celsius. Now, that mist should slowly clear away during the morning tomorrow. There'll be a good deal of dry and bright weather around. 1 or 2 showers, particularly on north-west facing coasts, but they'll gradually die away as that little ridge moves in. And then very late on in the day, it'll probably be after dark, some more wet and windy weather will move into the far northwest of Scotland, heralding that change I was hinting about later on during the week. So there's the first of those weather systems coming into the northwest, and that'll gradually wriggle its way southwards during Wednesday and Thursday. Bye-bye.